Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Unati, and in today's video we are going to be glowing up for the summer. So obviously my summer started 2 weeks ago, but I needed to marinate. We just needed to bed rot for about 2 weeks, but none of that anymore. So obviously I've taken my shower. I'm wearing this cute little set. The vibes that we're going for is like cute, feminine, and I feel cute and I look cute, so yes. So I actually did my eyebrows like a couple days ago now, like 2 days ago, so I'm glad my eyebrows are done already. I've already done my skincare, as you guys saw. So right now we're going to go through the agenda of the other things that we have left to do, the other tasks that we have left to complete. But before we do that, I need some coffee, okay? We're not gonna say the addiction's back, but we definitely need some, okay, because this is going to be a lengthy process. So let's go.
Zika.
Hey guys, we have the goods. This is arguably one of the best coffees I've made, like. So I actually have a to-do list on my Notion for this whole video. So I had to do some self-care shopping, which I did in my last video. Then next I had my self-care shower, which I literally just had, but it was actually a bath. So I had my self-care bath. Next on here I had teeth whitening, but I don't think we're going to be able to do that because I thought my sister had like the strips that you use, but she doesn't. So okay, I guess we're not going to do that. And then I had my skincare, which you guys just saw me do. Next I had my glowy summer makeup. I wanted to show you guys what my summer makeup routine will look like. I want to make a vision board. We're going to make a summer vision board because I want to do a lot of things this summer, and I feel like it will just, I'm a very visual person, so it's gonna help me visualize, you know. So now let's get to showing you guys my glowy makeup look. All right, welcome to my vanity. Okay, we've got our coffee and we're going to get ready together. Usually I like getting ready with music, so I'm just gonna put my AirPods in. So I'm going to be obviously listening to some jazz, but go follow my Spotify while I'm getting ready, and I'll explain all my products to you guys. For my skincare, I use E45 to get that glowy base. I've already done this, so I'm not going to put them on again, but to get that glowy base I use Aquaphor. Once again, I like to go for a very dewy base, so I use Aquaphor. I know a lot of people like using primers, but I feel like that kind of makes it matte. I mean, I think it depends what primer you use, I guess, but I don't find primer useful because I don't wear foundation, so I just use Aquaphor. So the first thing that I do, this is personally for me, I have this ghetto ass palette. So this I literally got in quarantine, like, so I use this palette. This is a Morphe 35B palette. It doesn't even say Morphe anymore. You can't even tell that it's Morphe. So I use this, and I use all these colors right here for my blush, okay? So this is black, obviously. I use black for my waterline. Okay, so we've done my waterline. I feel like the waterline, why I like it is because I feel like it just makes my eyes pop out more, because I have quite big eyes, I think, so it just makes them like pop out more, if that makes sense. So next thing I do is my concealer. For my concealer I use this Maybelline Fit Me in the color 60. This is a very like lightweight concealer, so I really like it because of that. So I literally just put like 2 dots, and I put some in the outer corner, and then I blend this in. I use my powder puff. It's a little crusty right now, but I use a concealer shade that's kind of closer to my foundation because I like a natural look. I'm not really a bright under eye girly. I just want it to just cover the hyperpigmentation, just to give like a one color. Then the next thing that I do is I will put this on my nose and then just here, just so this is all one shade around this area. Ever since I started using a powder puff to blend my makeup, I haven't went back, like, but I used to use a what do you call it, beauty blender, and it was good, but like I feel like a powder puff, I don't know, I just like the way it looks on me a lot more. If I feel like I don't have enough, I will go in again with the 2 dots under my eye just one more time. Then I'll go in with the palette, and I will use these 4 shades all together, just mix them around and put those on as my blush. It turns out so good on my skin tone. Then I'll just blend everything in. I then go in with the e.l.f. bronzer, and this was the moment I realized it was actually broken, so yeah, I just put on a little bit. Honestly, I don't like something too harsh. This is just to give my face some depth. Then I use the Revolution Pro highlighter, and I use those 2 golden shades. As you can see, I put them on my nose and then on my eyes, inner corners as well. Then I straighten my lashes because my lashes are so curly. This is just to give them some length. So I'll use some mascara too on my top and bottom lashes. And then after that, I go in with the same brush that I use for my waterline, and I put it on my lips. I really like to accentuate my Cupid's bow because I feel like it's such like a unique feature. Then after that, I'll go in with my blush shades just in the middle of my lip to give my lips some color. Then I'll use my e.l.f. lip oil to top it all off, and then that is the look. This is the aftermath of looking cute. So guys, we're looking so cute. Literally, this is the weirdest thing to do after doing my makeup, but I probably should have done it before, but they probably wouldn't have dried in time. But I'm thinking of washing my makeup brushes because I recently got this makeup brush cleaner from one of my friends for my birthday, and we're gonna come back and then do some goal setting. So I'm back, and now we are going to goal set. I have my pencil and I'm going to write down my goals. I'm not really worried about making this look super cute because this is just me setting my goals. Some tips I would give you guys for goal setting is do not overwhelm yourself with things that you know that you're not even gonna complete. Like be very realistic with your goals, because I used to do this. I would find myself setting goals that are like not realistic, also being very specific with what your goals exactly are. So like for example, I won't say like exercise more, like, but I feel like in the long term it gets you nowhere because you're not really being specific. So this could be like, if I want to exercise more, I don't know, go on a run every day at this time. So make it very specific because you're more likely to like do the thing if you know exactly when and what you're doing. I'm gonna have 3 sections for my goal setting. So first I have with my content, I have goals that I want to reach this summer, and then I have my personal goals, which my personal goals are like things I want to improve on, like in terms of me. Third is school, and I know it's the summer, but I do want to keep on top of my schoolwork because I am going into year 13. If you don't know what year 13 is, it's like the last year of college. So meaning next I'm going to uni or doing an apprenticeship. So you know, this is the last year and it's very important, so I want to make sure I'm on top of my work. Once again, I said I'm not entirely focused on making this look cute, but making it look a little cute won't hurt. So I have this pink highlighter and we're just going to go set. So the next and final step in our glow up is making my vision board. So what I'm going to be using to print out my vision board photos is the Kodak Dock Era D600. Thank you to Kodak for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So Kodak actually sent me their Kodak Dock Era D600 photo printer. So this is what we're going to be using today. This is a photo printer with the ability to bring digital photos into real life, and it prints high quality photos within just a few minutes. So Kodak sent me a gift bundle, which obviously contains, first of all, the photo printer itself. It comes along with an adapter that you use to plug the printer in while in use. It also comes with a little USB-C converter, which is what you use to transfer the photos to the printer from your phone. Then it comes with some photo printer coverage. It comes with the actual photo sheets. These have like a glossy finish, which I really like. Within the gift bundle, you also get the accessories kit. So the accessories kit comes in this cute briefcase. So it comes with this photo album that you can put your photos in, guys. This is so cute. A glass photo stand, little Kodak photo stand, a little rope and pegs to hang up your photos on your wall. Then you have these little Kodak magnets to hang up your photos, these sticker magnets, this Kodak camera keychain. How cute is this, guys? So if you would like to get the Kodak photo printer or the gift bundle, make sure to click the link in my description down below. And let's get on to making this vision board.
Zika.
Hey guys, so we finished making the vision board. Let me show you guys what this looks like. It's so cute. This is my summer vision. Tell me this is not the cutest thing ever. Low-key, my brother came in my room and he was like, oh, that's so nice, like that's so cute. Thinking like I was gonna put it on the wall, which then I was like, should I? I could put it like over my vanity lids. But I don't know. Over here, I don't know. Guys, does it look weird? So we're just gonna leave it for now because I don't know what to do with it. All these photos printed on my Kodak printer, okay? I'm telling you, get on Kodak. It already feels so much more put together, and I feel like I kind of have my life a little more together, especially with the goals that I wrote down. And it's currently 9:46 and my family just ordered some Nando's, so what else is there to say? I'm hungry. Let's eat. Dharma. My iPad battery is finished, so I'm having to watch on my phone.